Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. So whether you are sending the tickets to a friend or you are selling it to someone that you know, this updated guide will walk you through the exact steps. So first of all, you need to come here on ticketmaster.com, then simply log in into your account. Now you can also follow the same steps in your Ticketmaster application. You just have to click on the My Account option first. After that, click on the option of Upcoming Events under My Tickets. So when you do this, you will be landed here on this particular page. Now it is going to show you all of the tickets that are available in your upcoming events. So you just have to simply click on the ticket. Then you need to open the ticket just like so. After that, on the top, you are going to see this transfer button. Simply click on this transfer button. Then you can also choose the ticket which you want to send. If you have multiple tickets for the same event, you can pick the one which you want to transfer. After clicking on the transfer option, it is going to redirect you on this page where you will have to first of all authenticate your account. So on your registered email address and your phone number, they are going to send an OTP. So you need to provide that and click on the option of confirm. Now after confirming it, it is going to show you the ticket which you have selected. So after selecting the ticket, simply provide your recipient's detail. So it includes providing their first name, last name, their email address. You can also add a message, then click on the option of confirm. After doing this, it is going to show that you have successfully sent a ticket to this particular person. So you can either transfer another ticket or you can return to the My Tickets section. Basically, you have successfully transferred the ticket to the person whom you want to basically transfer it to. Now, the recipient is going to see this type of message in their email address, or they are going to get the link via their phone. So when they receive the ticket, they will just have to click on the option of accept ticket, and then the ticket will be added in their Ticketmaster account. So this is how you can transfer the tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.